Welcome back to our channel Newlook. Dark and uneven tone is a nightmare of most of us. There are so many factors that can cause us due to have an uneven skin tone like pollution, sun rays, poor diet, chemicals and more can cause an increase in melanin production on our skin. There are many beauty products that keep our skin looking flawless available in the market. But how safe are they? However, the natural ingredients and homemade remedies for skin whitening such as gram flour have been a natural weapon for many of the women since years. It is really amazing and very useful for all skin types. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 homemade natural remedies using Basen. The first remedy, for this we need gram flour or Basen powder, tomato. By using these 3 ingredients, now I am going to a face pack. Half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Here I am using an aloe vera gel which I bought from the shop, but if you have an aloe vera plant at your home, that will be more effective to use for your skin. And now the tomato. Cut the tomato into 2 halves and take out the pulp. Only pulp is required, not the skin of the tomato. Now mix them well. Now apply this mixture on your entire face and neck. If you want, you can apply onto your hands and feet also. This will give effective results. Do try this at your home. For better results, use thrice in a week. Basen powder and aloe vera gel. Take a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of gram flour powder and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix both the ingredients well and add rose water to get a paste-like consistency. See, this is very thick, you can observe. Now apply this onto your face like this. Take a little amount. Apply this onto your face and massage clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. This gram flour controls oil secretion and absorbs excess oil and sebum that's on your face, and the alkalizing properties of gram flour maintain the pH level value of the skin. Yes, thoroughly massage and let it be for 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. Going to the third remedy. For this require baking powder and milk. Take a bowl, add a tablespoon of gram flour powder, milk. The amount of milk is required for getting a smooth paste. We all know that the milk contains the lactic acid which helps to improve and lighten our skin tone. And apply this paste on your face and let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, just sprinkle a water on your face and massage gently clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, and then wash it off with cool water. By using this pack, it cleanses the pores, and the active antibacterial properties of Basen powder kills bacteria and reduces the inflammation on your skin. For better results, use regularly. And the next one is a fourth remedy. For this, you require a basin powder and rose water. Take a tablespoon of basin powder and add rose water and make a smooth. It must be not thick or not thin. The paste must be medium in range like this. You can see here. This pack removes the dirt and toxins from the deeper layer of the skin and enhances the natural glow. Also, it helps to regulate the moisture, nourish the skin and keep the skin soft and supple. Natural exfoliating properties of the gram flour removes the dead skin and encourage new cell production. Keep it for at least 20 minutes and wash it with cool water. After this, apply some moisture to your face. Quickly going to the fifth remedy using basin powder. For this, you require this basin and gram flour powder, the baking soda and the turmeric powder. Take a clean bowl, add a tablespoon of this gram flour powder, pinch of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of baking soda. Mix these three ingredients thoroughly. And for getting the paste, I am using milk here. You can use a lemon juice or tomato juice or rose water. I am using them here for preparing like the paste. Prepare the paste like this. After preparing this paste, take some amount with your fingertips and apply this on your face, neck, elbows, hands, knees, also to your foot. If you want, you can apply this to the entire body. Massage like this, slowly and smoothly. Massage for 5 minutes. It replenishes the skin and closes the open pores. Also, it helps to lighten the skin. It has an anti-aging properties and also helps to tighten the sagging skin and gives you the wrinkle-free skin. Let it sit for 30 minutes and wash it with cold water. Yes, these are the 5 natural home remedies using the basin powder. Do try at your home, you will get the amazing results. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.